Here are some reasons on why to use ginger tincture. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe. If you're having a cold and you're feeling chills, sneezing, cough, runny nose, have some ginger. Promotes sweating. Another reason is that it promotes digestion. It releases bloatedness. It also helps you with nausea, vomiting, and you can have this even if you're pregnant, so that's really awesome. For women, it warms the exterior and it promotes menstruation. It helps with uterus cold. How do you know you have cold in the uterus? You might be experiencing delayed periods, scanty periods, or no periods at all, with constant cramps and clots. The kind of cramps that go away when you put warmth into it, that's when you know you have cold in the uterus. Plus, it reduces infection, it boosts immunity, and we especially like to take ginger early in the mornings, first thing in the morning as a carminative, warming up your digestive chi. One last thing, did you know you can use ginger if you have cold trapped in your body? Yeah, make yourself a bath with ginger tea. Make an infusion with ginger and just go for it. The decoction is really simple to make. You chop some ginger, put it in water, boil it for 20 minutes. The only caution with traditional Chinese medicine about ginger is if you have heat in your body. If there's heat, you might want to avoid using ginger because it causes more heat. So just be careful with that. Let's start making our ginger tincture then. Let's go. There's many different ways of preparing ginger. One of them is making it a tincture, a decoction where you're gonna boil it for 20 minutes with water, and you can make it with oil. Today, we're gonna use the first one. We're gonna make a tincture. So what you need is some fresh chopped ginger. You want it really finely chopped. A jar where you're gonna put your ginger, and some 70% alcohol. And we're gonna use the folkloric method, which I'm not gonna weigh anything. We're just gonna put some ginger in it and we're gonna fill it up with alcohol. All the way up until it's covered. You just want everything to be under the alcohol. And that's it. Here's your ginger tincture. It's perfect to have at home for your first aid kit or for using for different uses.